Um, I want to order coffee, please.
Hi, sure. What kind of coffee do you want?
I don't know. I want hot coffee.
Okay, we have regular coffee, or do you want a latte?
Sorry, what's a latte? I don't know that word.
A latte is coffee with milk. It's very popular.
Oh, yes. I want coffee with milk. A latte, please.
Great. What size do you want? Small, medium, or large?
Hmm. Medium, please. Is that okay?
Perfect. Medium latte. Do you want sugar in it?
No sugar, please. But can I ask something?
Of course. Ask me anything. What do you need?
Can you make it very hot, not warm?
Yes, I can make it extra hot for you.
Oh, wonderful. And, can you use almond milk?
Almond milk? Sorry, what kind of milk is that?
It's milk from almonds, not from cows.
Oh, you mean non-dairy milk. Yes, we have it.
Really? That's great. So, almond milk, please.
Okay, so medium latte, extra hot, almond milk, no sugar.
Yes, that's right. That's exactly what I want.
Perfect. Your total is $5, please.
Here you go. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Your coffee will be ready soon.
Great. Now I know how to order coffee.
Conversation 2. Price is different at checkout.
Hello, I want to buy this phone case.
Hi, sure. That's $15, please.
Wait, $15? The price tag says 10.
Oh, let me check. Can I see it?
Yes, here. It says $10.
I see. Let me check the computer.
Is there a problem? I need this today.
No problem. I'm checking now. One moment, please.
Okay, take your time.
Oh, I'm sorry. The computer is wrong.
So, what's the real price?
The price tag is right. It's $10.
Oh, that's great. Thank you for checking.
You're welcome. Sorry about that. The computer needs updating.
Does this happen often? Wrong prices?
Sometimes, but we always check. The shelf price wins.
I see. Good to know. So, $10.
Yes, exactly $10. Here's your receipt.
Perfect. Can I pay with my card?
Of course, the card machine is here.
Processing payment. Great. This case looks really nice.
It's very popular. Good choice.
Wonderful. Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. And thanks for fixing the price.
No problem. Come back anytime.
I will. Bye.
Conversation 3. Changed mind after check.
Oh, wait. I made a mistake just now.
Hi, what's wrong? How can I help you?
I bought the wrong book. I'm so sorry.
That's okay. These things happen every day. Don't worry.
Really? So I can change it? Is that possible?
Yes, of course. Do you have your receipt?
Yes, here it is. I just paid 2 minutes ago.
Okay, good. Which book do you actually want?
I want the blue one, not this red one.
I see. So you want to exchange them?
Yes, I want to exchange them, please.
Sure. Let me see. Are they the same price?
I don't know. How do I check that?
I'll check for you. The red is $15. The blue is $15 too.
Oh, perfect. So the price is the same.
Yes, so I can just exchange them now. Easy.
That's great. I was worried I couldn't change it.
No problem. You can change things if you have the receipt.
And what if the prices are different?
Then you pay the difference, or we give you money back.
I see. That makes sense now. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's your blue book. Enjoy it.
Perfect. Now I know I can exchange things.
Conversation 4. Dealing with a pushy salesperson.
I'm just looking today. Thank you.
Hi, I can help you. What phone do you want?
Oh, I don't want to buy now.
But we have a great sale today. Look here.
I'm just looking. I don't need help.
This one is really good. Very cheap today.
No, thank you. I need time to think.
But the sale ends today. You should buy now.
Wait, I don't want to buy today.
Oh, you're sure? It's a good price.
Yes, I'm sure. I'm not ready yet.
I see. So you're just looking around?
Yes, just looking. I'll come back later, maybe.
Okay. Do you need any information though?
Well, how much is this one?
That's $200. It's very popular.
I see. Can I think about it?
Of course. Take your time. No pressure.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. Come back when you're ready.
I will. Thanks for understanding.
No problem. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Conversation 5. Card gets declined at checkout.
Oh no. Why isn't my card working?
Don't worry. Let me try again, okay?
Okay, please try it one more time.
Sorry, it's not working. It's declined.
Declined? What does that mean? I don't understand.
Your card isn't going through. The payment failed.
Oh, that's strange. I have money there.
It happens sometimes. Do you have another card?
Let me check. Yes, here.
Good. Let's try this one. One moment, please.
Okay, I hope this one works.
Let me see. Oh, wait. This one's declined too.
Really? Both cards? That's so weird.
I see. Do you have cash with you?
Let me look. Yes, I have cash.
Perfect. How much do you have?
I have $30. Is that enough?
Your total is $28. That's enough.
Oh, great. Here's the money. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's your change. $2.
Thank you so much. You're very kind.
No problem. Check your cards later, okay?
Yes, I will. I'll call my bank today.
Good idea. Have a nice day.
You too. Thanks for your help.
Conversation 6. Bargaining for discount.
Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Of course. What do you need? How can I help?
I want to buy these 3 shirts.
Great choice. These are very good shirts. Nice quality.
How much is the total price for all 3?
Let we see. That's $60 total.
I see. Can I get a discount?
A discount? Well, how much do you want?
I don't know. Maybe $50?
50 is too low. That's very cheap.
Oh, okay. What price can you give me?
Well, I can do $55.
55? That's good. Can you do 52? You're a good negotiator. Okay, 53. Final price. 53. Perfect. Thank you so much. You're welcome. You asked very politely. I like that. Really? I was nervous to ask for a discount.
Don't be nervous. It's okay to ask nicely.
So I can ask for discounts in shops?
Yes, just be polite.
Say, can I get a discount? I see. That's easy. Thanks for teaching me. No problem. Here are your shirts. Enjoy them. Thank you. I'll come back again soon. Please do. You're always welcome here.
Conversation 7. Clothes don't fit in fitting room.
Oh no, this dress doesn't fit me. Hi, is everything okay in there? Not really. I need some help, please. Of course. What's wrong? Can I help you? This dress is too small for me. I see. What size did you take? I took a medium size. Okay, do you need a bigger size? Yes, please. Can I try a large? Sure, let me get a large for you. Thank you. I'm sorry for the trouble. No trouble at all. It happens every day. Really? I thought I knew my size. Sizes are different in different shops. Don't worry. Oh, I didn't know that. That's good to know. Here's the large. Try this one now. Okay, I'll try it right now. One moment. Take your time. I'm here if you need help. This one fits. It's perfect. Wonderful. So the large is good for you? Yes, this size is much better. Thank you. Great. Do you want to buy this one? Yes, I do. Can I pay now? Of course. Come to the counter when you're ready. Perfect. Thanks for helping me with the size.